Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you that Page Optimizer Pro, aka POP, is having a sale. It is a Black Friday, Cyber Monday, 50% off a yearly agency plan, so you can get it for $390 for the whole year. You get unlimited reports, unlimited domains, project level access for employees and clients, Excel bulk project submission. They have white label PDF reports coming. And also with the agency plan, you get EAT analysis. So we'll also analyze EAT for you, and that will help give you some suggestions on what you need to do for your website. So anyways, the promo code or link will be in the description. You can go ahead, sign up, and you can go ahead and get this. It won't last forever. So if you have any questions, feel free to comment or leave them down below. But this is a great SEO tool, and it should really help your business and help your clients. And thanks.